If you felt the pressure to keep up with AI or wondered whether you should be doing more, take a breath. You're probably doing more than you think. Most small business owners are already using AI, but in tiny, invisible ways that don't take any real weight off the day. And many small business owners share a similar experience. I'm using AI, but it doesn't feel any easier. That's completely understandable. Not every part of a business benefits from AI. The relief tends to show up in the areas that quietly eat hours and mental energy. There are a few core areas where small business owners consistently get the biggest payoff from AI tools: communication, marketing, and operations. These aren't the only places AI can help. They're just the places where your time tends to disappear the fastest. And a quick look at each one will help you see where AI actually fits in your week and how to use the tools you already have in a more intentional way. And the place where most business owners feel the difference first is communication, because it's the part of your week that fills up the fastest. Communication is the part of the business that just keeps coming. Emails, customer inquiries, clarifying questions, scheduling details. None of it waits for a calm day. A large language model, your AI assistant, helps here by giving you something you rarely get: a clearer starting point. The second place small business owners feel a real difference is in marketing and content, because that's the work that tends to live in your head. For many small business owners, marketing isn't difficult, it's time-consuming. It's one more thing asking for attention. Your AI assistant, whether that's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini inside Google Workspace, or Canva's Magic Write, helps not by replacing your voice, but by removing the pressure of starting. It can give you structure, outlines, caption ideas, repurposed versions of something longer, headline options, image concepts you can take into Canva. So instead of starting from a blank screen, you can ask your assistant to do something like, turn this presentation into 3 LinkedIn posts written in a warm, plain-spoken tone. And if you have a voice memo full of ideas, your assistant can turn it into a clean task list in seconds, a tiny shift that removes decision fatigue. Marketing stays human first. Your assistant just clears the runway. The third place small business owners feel meaningful relief is in operations, the behind-the-scenes work that quietly drains energy. This is the part of your business where stress hides, in your scheduling, your finances, your files, and all the small tasks that stack up in the background. And here's the part many business owners overlook. You're already using AI in these areas, quietly, inside the tools you rely on every day. Tools like Calendly suggesting meeting times, Otter.ai creating transcripts and summary highlights, Zapier recommending simple automations, QuickBooks categorizing expenses, and Canva suggesting layouts for recurring assets. None of this is flashy, but each one removes a handful of micro decisions that would otherwise pile up throughout your week. And if you have tasks or notes scattered everywhere, your AI assistant can help too. Just ask, group these tasks and highlight what needs attention today. Suddenly, the day feels manageable instead of messy. Once you know where AI fits in your business, you can take it a step further by creating custom GPTs inside ChatGPT or projects inside Claude that are built for each of these areas. You might have a communication assistant that knows your tone, your FAQs, and how you talk to clients. A marketing assistant that understands your audience and helps repurpose your content. And an operations assistant that reviews tasks, streamlines workflows, and spots patterns you might miss. So instead of one general-purpose assistant, you end up with a small AI business team that supports the work you do every week. And if you want to see exactly how to set these up, click the link below or watch the video at the end that walks through creating your own AI business team. You don't have to keep up with everything. Just make the work feel a little lighter each week. So if you want more simple, human-first workflows like this, hit subscribe and join the newsletter at bitesizebots.com. Each week we build on this with small practical shifts that make 2026 feel a lot more manageable. Thanks for watching.